Hey retailers! If you run an e-commerce store and struggle with overstock or stockouts, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about Open to Buy, or OTB, a smart way to plan inventory, manage cash flow, and boost profits. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Forecast your sales. Start with a realistic sales forecast. Look at past data, upcoming campaigns, and trends. Use tools like EcomDrive's Ecommerce Planning Module to accurately predict demand. Step 2. Set your inventory targets. Decide how much stock you need. Not too little, not too much. Your goal is simple: meet customer demand without overstocking. Step 3. Calculate your OTB budget. Here's the quick formula. OTB equals planned sales plus planned markdowns plus planned end-of-month inventory minus planned beginning-of-month inventory. This helps you know exactly how much to spend on new stock. Step 4. Plan for seasons and events. Demand changes with holidays and trends. Use seasonality analysis and event annotations in EcomDrive to plan smarter. Step 5. Review historical data and benchmarks. Check what sold well in the past and what didn't. Use historical comparisons and benchmark monitoring to guide your next moves. Step 6. Align budgets and KPIs. Set KPIs like sell-through rate and sales to inventory ratio. Track your results through web store budgets and KPI dashboards. Step 7. Collaborate and adjust. Keep your sales, finance, and marketing teams in sync. When all teams share visibility, you make smarter, more aligned decisions that boost your overall profitability. Step 8. Keep it flexible. E-commerce moves fast. Your OTB plan shouldn't be static. Update forecasts, monitor KPIs, and tweak strategies as trends shift. The more adaptable you are, the better your results. Pro tip: follow these best practices. Update forecasts often, use real data, and monitor benchmarks. That's how you keep inventory balanced and profits steady. Want to make OTB planning easier? Try EcomDrive's e-commerce planning module. It's got everything from OTB and forecasting to KPI tracking and budgeting. Request your EcomDrive demo today. Link in the description. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new retail tech tip. Thank you for watching.